Hello everyone. In this part, we will learn how to sort any given data. Suppose that someone asks you that he has to give the award to the student who has got highest mark in subject 3. So here come to subject 3 column, and suppose that your principal has asked that give me the name of those students who have got maximum marks in subject 3. So for doing this, if you have less amount of data, you can find it manually that, okay, come down here and 98 is the highest mark. But when your data is too large, then we cannot do it manually. So for doing this, there is an option to sort the data in Google Sheet. So how to do it? First we have to select our data. So always be careful that when you go to select your data, you don't have to select your headings. Otherwise, it will create problem. So leave the headings, and so first row and second row, you have to leave. Now start from row 3 and select till last row at corner, 10th April 2020. Now this data is selected. Your heading is not selected. Be careful. Now go to data. Here you have a lot of options: sort sheet by column A, short sheet by column A. You don't have to take care of that. You come to short range. Here you can see it is written short range. Click this short range. Now it is asking that sort range from A3 to K12. Okay, that is our selected area. Now data has header row, it is written, but we have not selected, so that it is not having header row. Now we want to sort this data. We want subject 3 data. That is, subject 3 data is in which column? That is in H column. So we will sort our data according to H column. So because the sorting is done on column basis. So here come, you can see your your total columns are visible here. Now find it column H. Click here and click sort. Now you can see the data is completely sorted, and in subject 3 in ascending order you have got 98 at the end. Now when you will see at the end, you can say that 98 is the highest mark, and who has got this 98 mark? Sudhir Vats has got the highest mark, and you can tell your principal, your authority, that this student has got highest mark in subject 3. Suppose that this is in ascending orders, so this list is according to ascending order. So lowest mark is at upside, and highest mark is at the end. Now we can also do this sorting by descending order. Means it will first show the highest mark and then in decreasing order. So how we can do it? We will keep this selected, go to data, and again click short range. You have to sort it by column H only. So click column H. Now this is showing that A to Z, means it will show in ascending order. Here if you take your mouse, it is showing that descending order. So choose this option, descending, click sort, and here you can see in subject 3 98 mark has come up at first position, and now it has been arranged in decreasing order. So by this we can do sorting. Now suppose that we want to apply sorting on name. Suppose that you want to sort your data with name wise. So the data should start from A letter, and then it should go to B for B letter, C letter, and then Z letter. So we can also do that. what we have to do, we have to select our data excluding our heading, go to data, click sort range. Now your name is written in under column C. Your first name is written under column C. So you have to sort it by column C. Click column C. Now we want in ascending order. We want that those name who start with A should come first, and those which start with Z should come last. So we will click ascending order. We'll click sort, and now see here. You can see first name here. The name starts with Abhishek, Amitabh, Ashutosh, and then D, and then last V. Okay. If you remember who got the 98 mark, Sudhir Vats got a 98 mark. So your data is perfectly fine. By using this technique, you can sort our data, and it depends upon you upon which column you want to apply it. So thank you. That was all about this